Hey guys, it's Becca. So for today's video, I decided to put together some outfit ideas for fall. So this first one, I actually did wear this one. Thought this was good for kind of like a more like professional thing, like if you have like a presentation. I was helping with an open house here at my school, so I just wore this button-up shirt. It looks crazy on camera, but it's just gray and white stripes, and it has these little foxes on it, and it's from Old Navy a few years ago. And I just paired it with these black skinny jeans, which are from American Eagle. And then when I was outside, I also threw on this army jacket that I literally got in like the 8th grade, but I love it. It was from TJ Maxx, I believe. I love these kinds of jackets. I think they've just been so cute for years now. And yeah, that's what it looks like together. I also put a little orange scrunchie around my hair, which is from Walmart. And the earrings I'm wearing, which you'll see in a whole bunch of pictures, they're these little gold, like square-shaped hoops that I got from a thrift store, and then I just paired them with these really cute brown loafers that I just got from Plato's Closet. They gave me some serious blisters though. So the second outfit I thought would be perfect for more like a fancy occasion. I'm 99% sure I'm going to wear this for Thanksgiving. The top is just this little bell sleeve top that I got at Aeropostale a long time ago. And the skirt I just got from a secondhand store called Rumors. It is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. Flowers, pink, all the good things. Yeah, and I just thought the color of the shirt matched nicely with this. You could also like put some tights underneath or add a jacket if it's too cold where you live. I try to get a range of options with these outfit ideas. And then for shoes, I just styled them with these sandals, also from Aeropostale because I thought the rose gold and then the black and the cream paired really well with the skirt. The third outfit is a little bit of a grandpa outfit, but I think it's cute. I got both the sweater and the pants from Goodwill. The sweater, it actually has a pocket, which I think is super fun. I love showing people it. It's just like this like kind of gray and white speckly, and then the pants are these really awesome army green trouser, which you can't see, but I actually cropped them myself, so they're like a rolled up look. And I put this little scarf in my hair, which is also from Goodwill. I guess this is a fully thrifted outfit because it has some green in it, which I thought matched really well with the pants. I think I showed both of those items in a thrift haul over the summer, and then I just paired it with my Converse, which I forgot to film. So this fourth outfit is definitely for those hotter days, which we've had a lot of here in Richmond, unfortunately. So the tank top is from American Eagle, and my bralette that I'm wearing is from Aerie. The shorts are from Forever 21, but I got them at Plato's Closet. And my belt is from Old Navy. I love this thing. Again, you could add a sweater or tights or something if this is too warm weather for you. And then I just wore these with my white Converse as well, like I did with the other outfit. And they showed up really white on camera. I swear they do not look like that in real life. They're kind of a disaster, but I kind of love them for that. So they're still kicking it with me. For outfit 5, this is probably one of my favorite ones. I'm just wearing this black t-shirt from Kohl's, and I just tied it up with a little knot in the front so it fit a little better. And then underneath that, I just have this white high-necked bralette from Aerie, and then these orange pants. They're culottes, however you say that. Those are from Old Navy, and I freaking love them. They were just so much fun this time of year. And then my hat, I don't know where it's from. My mom gave it to me years ago, but I think it's super cute, and I love that there's orange in it because I can pair it with so many things this time of year. Also, please ignore the fact that I was slightly sunburned when I filmed this. Again, it's been really hot here. And then I just had those same earrings in because they literally go with everything. I've worn them nonstop since I got them. And for shoes, I just finished them off with some black Birkenstocks, but you could do like a black boot or something, again, if it's a little bit colder. And then for this last outfit, I decided to go with something really, really casual. I thought this would be great for like an outdoorsy activity, like going to a pumpkin patch or a corn maze. I'll probably wear this to the state fair. But yeah, I just wore a flannel, which is from JCPenney, I think, and my white crop top is from American Eagle. My black leggings are from Lululemon, and then the black purse is from Target. Blinked for a second there. And I just thought this was perfect for any kind of like outdoorsy, like day to nighttime activity, since obviously, as you can see here, you can tie the flannel around your waist during the day and then put it back on if it gets colder. And again, I just wore these with those earrings and with my white Converse. But this time I added these little maroon ruffly socks, which are also from American Eagle. Super comfy, and I just like that they tied in the purpley tones for my flannel. And that was all for this video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really, really help me out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.